What's up YouTube, Super RC here with a blaster box break. Today's blaster box is 2010 Press Pass. This blaster actually has a guaranteed hit. It's a hot pack and we will save that for the best for last. But without further ado, here is the break. See what we have here. Okay, winning numbers: Denny Hamlin, Edwards, looks like Tony, Joey Logano, and Tony Stewart again. Okay, Ricky Carmichael, looks like Doris Speedway, Dale Jr. Ooh, a by the numbers insert of Tony Stewart, Mark Martin, and another Tony Stewart. Quickly see if they have a by the numbers break. It's probably one in every 3 packs. The blue parallel ones are actually one in up to 600. So okay, Boucher, Casey Kane, and looks like the King. This is that's an Infineon. I was actually there. Benny Parsons by the numbers. Pablo Montoya, McMurray, and Jeff Gordon. See, Logano, Colin Braun, Tony, Logano, Waltrip, and Carl Edwards. Okay, base, Sorensen, and Jeff Gordon, and the hot pack. Let's see what we got. The odds on these are 1 in every 112 packs, so I did the math. It's about I don't know how many blasters we have here, but almost 19 blasters. So got Logano, bring it up a little closer. Logano, Ambrose, Boucher. Ooh, a Matt Kenseth, Trading Pain, very nice. Clint Boyer. So the Matt Kenseth is the hit, numbered 101 of 299. That's the break. Thanks for watching. Take care.